Hey guys, today let's talk about this interesting product, a soldering station with helping hands and magnifying glasses. The reason I purchased this product because I need some extra hands to hold the wires or can hold the PCB board while I'm soldering. The review gonna have two parts. One is open box review. The second part is how to set it up and how to use it in real world. You can see the menu, all this detailed part. Let's put it out of the box. Ta-da! That's all included in the package. You got those menus written in both English and Chinese. The backside is Chinese language, very easy to follow. And you get this heavy-duty base. It's pretty heavy. It's metal. And then this universal alligator holder to hold a PCB board. You got extra alligators, magnifying glasses, friction pad, and also those pillars to hold the PCB. And sometimes if the rubber is not holding tight, just push it in to make sure the black rubber all the way to the alligator. And let's turn it off, the screw, turned off from the other screw, and penetrate through the base and just tighten it up. We got one side, then we're gonna tighten another side to the universal alligator hand. And then you put 4 pillars on. That's gonna hold the PCB board. The pillar, you can put it out. You see the 2 washers, and it's pretty well machined pillars. It has a strong magnified attractions to the base. And when you apply the magnifying glasses, make sure you tighten it up. And if you peel off the tip, and then you can put a friction pad. Here's how the real world case. You use alligator, hold a PCB board, use magnifying glasses. You can see the detail all the PCB board. You can use those points to pinpoint each case. And here's the actual case how to use this helping hand to hold a wire, and you can solder in the wire, and you can even examine with the 3 times the magnifying glasses. Let's re-examine those pillars. You can tighten it up. There's a rubber in between those washers. That's the space where you put those PCB board, just like that. You use 4 pillars to hold a PCB board. And then you could do the soldering. You don't need extra hands. Very straightforward. You can also use the magnifying glasses, just like that. Boom, it's 3 times magnifying glasses. Initially, I got some issue with magnifying glasses, and then I just cleaned it with water and detergent, and then it's crystal clear. Overall, I really like this product. I will give a 5-star overall. Well-made, good design, very compact, and very helpful. And this is a must if you do some DIY PCB board soldering and design at home. So I like it. That's my review. Thank you.